In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set a video as your wallpaper in Windows using VLC Media Player. This is a completely free method. It doesn't require any third-party wallpaper software, and it works on most modern versions of Windows. If you've ever wanted an animated or live wallpaper using a video you already have on your computer, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. We'll go step by step so you can follow along even if you're a beginner. And before we dive in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Windows and software tips like this. Alright, let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure you have VLC Media Player installed on your computer. VLC is a free and widely used media player that supports almost every video format. If you already have it installed, go ahead and open it. You can do this by clicking the Start menu, typing VLC, and launching the application. Once VLC is open, you should see the main player window on your screen. Next, we need to load the video that you want to use as your wallpaper. In the top left corner of VLC, click on Media, then click on Open File. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and O if you prefer. This will open a file browser window. Navigate to the folder where your video is stored, select the video file, and click Open. Your video will now start playing inside VLC like normal. Now comes the key step where we turn that video into your desktop wallpaper. While the video is playing, right-click anywhere inside the video playback window. A context menu will appear. From this menu, hover your mouse over the option that says Video. When you hover over Video, another submenu will open. In that submenu, click on Set as Wallpaper. As soon as you click this option, you'll see the video move behind your desktop icons and become your active wallpaper. At this point, your video is officially set as your Windows wallpaper. The video will continue playing in the background, and your desktop icons will appear on top of it. You can minimize other windows and go back to your desktop to see the full effect. One important thing to keep in mind is that VLC must remain open for the video wallpaper to keep playing. If you pause the video or close VLC, the wallpaper will stop. If you want the video to loop continuously, you can enable looping in VLC. Just click the loop button in the player controls so the video restarts automatically when it reaches the end. This is especially useful for short clips or seamless animated backgrounds. Now let's talk about how to stop the video wallpaper and return to your normal static background. Whenever you're done, simply stop the video playback in VLC or close the VLC application entirely. As soon as you do that, Windows will automatically restore your previous wallpaper settings. There's no permanent change made, so you don't have to worry about anything being stuck or broken. And that's really all there is to it. You've just learned how to set a video as your wallpaper in Windows using VLC Media Player without installing any extra software or paying for premium features. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.